Alright guys, so hey, how's it going guys? So it's your boy YASHViR GAMiNG. Well, if you're new to the channel guys, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. I received this package yesterday. Okay, I didn't have any time to do a unboxing video for you guys, so right now I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna see what's inside and let's hope for the best. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna grab my pair of scissors and let's see. So this right there, and then there's a side. What is this? Okay, oops. Oh shit. Hell no. Hell no. Damn. We got it. Alright. PS5. Oh my god. Yep. Okay. Let's go ahead and let me roll this down. Wow. That's good. This side. It's right here. This little plastic. Trying not to ruin this. Lift this. Okay. Just put it to right there in case we need that. Okay, so alright. I'm not gonna ruin the box. I'm gonna handle this with care. So this, I'll just push this just like that. Okay. Alright, here we go. So it's look like a case inside of this big box. Alright, it's empty. You can see. Just gonna put this back in. Dang, this looks good. Alright, so let's just put this away. Alright, what do we got here? Oh my god, some box, another box. So as you can see, it is well sealed. What is that? I don't know. So I'll put that there. Looks like some egg crate. looks like we have a controller. Okay. Oh wow, look how neat this is. Shit, this is the original. We've got power cable, okay, the power adapter. There we have the PS5, some guide. Then I believe, what's this? Oh damn! Wow. So this is I don't know what's this. I think it's hold the controller or I don't know. Okay, so apparently this one is the HDMI 2.1. Okay, HDMI 2.1 cable. Okay, good. Now let's take a look at this big boy here. Well, it's well sealed. Astonishingly beautiful. Alright, comes with USB Type C, and this is a disc edition. Alright, okay. Alright, so let's give it a go. Alright, so I'm gonna power this thing on, and we shall see if it works or not. Alright, so it's a moment of truth whether this thing will power on or not. So let's go. Wait, how do I power this on? So I press the PS button, nothing happened. I don't hear beep or nothing. I don't see any button here as well to press. Maybe, what's this? This is a power, I think. So I'm gonna press it. So I hear the beep, and now the console, as you can see, the light, RGB lights. Alright, so yeah, I can see some display. Alright. So it's asking me to connect the controller via USB cable. Okay, so for it to pair. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so I connected the controller as you can see, and let's do that. So this button right here, I'm gonna press on it. Alright, here we go. So alright, I'm gonna go with English United States. Alright, so here as you can see, asking me to sign in. And voila guys, welcome to PlayStation 5. Alright, so yeah, the thumbstick, they works. Okay, who's using this controller? So of course me. DualSense wireless controller device software. So as you can see this, so you're gonna hold this thing right here, okay, and all you gotta do is to push this this side, this you wanna push it completely right here to this angle completely until you hear a click. Okay, so hold on, you can see this angle right there. You can see this, there's multiple square, triangle, blah blah blah. Okay, so you have to align this. You'll have to align this, okay, this side and this side in between those things. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah, like this. Okay, so you wanna hold your console like this, and you wanna take this. Okay, as you can see, what I did right there, I've pushed it in, make sure it is stirred. Okay, just like that. Alright, horizontal. Okay, and the disc looks something like